Hey guys, today we have 100 quest color vibe numbers here. Comes in hexagons, triangles, and squares even. So if you open to a page, you don't know what you're gonna color. It just tells you which colors you need, and it even tells you all the colors in the back right here, black all the way to magenta. And so we're gonna color one of the pages and see what it turns out in the end. But this is really perfect for, let's say you're bored and you have nothing to do, you have colors, you don't know what to do with them. This is perfect for you. And you can actually find out what it is. So it's a mystery contest. You can even guess, like let's say like, oh, I think it's a bird because all these colors are pink, red, and all that stuff. And you get to find out, which is really cool. There's different types of shapes in here to actually make it a little bit more fun. So we're gonna figure it out and see what it looks like. So as you can see in each page, it's actually very like, it's just numbers and shapes. So I'm finished with the product, and what's really good about the actual thing, as you can see, it's a panda. I did realize halfway it was not a pumpkin, it started becoming a panda. But when I realized is that it's really good that it has black on the back because it doesn't leak through. And I'm using markers. I do leak through usually on paper, and it doesn't leak through. As you can see the panda clearly and the little bamboo everywhere. This is amazing to have, just a fun activity to do. Perfect for people who need to have color palettes on themselves to be able to do this. I did use markers, so you can use color pencils, markers, paints. This is all perfect for that. It is paper, so keep in mind on that. But as you can see, it did not leak through the other page. And this is a different one. This is circles. I did hexagons. And yeah, I could tell it's a panda. Really cute, really easy to do. And it was just so satisfying to do it while watching music, video. Just good to have. And yeah, really like this, and then can't wait for the other ones. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.